Saturday snippet. I'm just going to speak to you about how to seal your earplugs so there's no more swimmer's ear. Okay, I use putties and I get them off Amazon. So, in fact, just so that's out the way there. Okay, needs to cover the whole inner ear. This bit here at the top is where it moves when you turn to breathe. So you need to make sure that it's covering the whole of the inner ear. Okay, then a tiny bit of Vaseline. You don't want loads because you don't want to make your earplugs greasy. And literally just like that over the earplug so that it forms a water barrier and the water runs off, hopefully, instead of down the sides of the earplug. Okay, there you go, there's your Saturday snippet. See you later, bye.